Hi everyone, it's your girl Hey Planner Girl Hey, and thank you again for joining me for another video. Today I'm going to unbox the Happy Scrappy kit. My kit is in the mini Happy Planner, but the only thing that means is my inserts are mini Happy Planner size. Sorry about all the zooming. There we go. I think this is a good zoom. I think that's even better. So before we get started, everyone, please make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and let's see what is inside of the March. Yeah, it's the March. Girl, I got so many kits coming. Not to sound all bougie. Honestly, it's like April, what is it, April 5th? And I'm now getting this, so sometimes it's like, what? Is this from February? Is this from April? I don't know. But yeah, it is the March 2018 kit, and the theme is Blossom. I have not opened to see what's inside, and I have no idea. I mean, what's kind of nice is the Happy Scrappy Instagram. Sam tries to like show you what you get, but I feel like either I missed out or I didn't get to see. So I have no idea what comes in this kit fully. I don't know. I have no idea. So anyways, you get a really cute envelope. I've actually received this envelope before, so I'm probably going to cut it out and make a cute little pocket or something. Really nice seal. It is a little raccoon butt or cat butt. It's super cute. Anyways, so here we go. Wow. Oh, and wowzers. I knew this kit was coming with a lot of stuff. Anything inside? Nothing else inside. So, let's check it out. So, oh my gosh, this is nuts. First of all, I've only been a Happy Scrappy subscriber maybe December, so I've never seen washi in a kit before. Let me move this distraction aside. So I hope you can see what I'm seeing, but it's sort of like a star, like a holographic star. I should probably just open it, but knowing me, I want to save the sticker and hoard it in my planner. Anyways, it's really cute and it's pink. Oh my gosh. So what's really nice in the Happy Scrappy box, and please guys, remember, I am not a PR girl and this is just stuff out of my own money. So in the previews, normally Sam, who's the creator, she adds a pen, but sometimes it's like a variety. So meaning a variety, like there are 4 pens and you get 1 out of the 4. So I'm really happy I got this color. So far so good. I've always been getting the pen I wanted, and it's this cherry blossom looking pen. I love the tip of the pen, how thin it is. So it's going to be really really hyped to go in my planner. That was just turning, I'm not sure why. So yeah, then let's see what we get. Ooh, so this is cool. I get a Boba Bear. I love him. He's so cute. Oh, so this is another magnetic planner clip. Oh, and I love this. I'm gonna keep this forever. It's a Boba Bear, and I love bears. So what I'm doing is I normally take the charm and I put it on my on my planner cart. So that's neat. Love that. So you can probably put it on your planner, but knowing me and my luck, and I can't keep nice things, it will probably get lost. So I'm going to put this on my cart soon. But I'm just going to leave it here so I don't lose it. And you get a pen loop, and it's a little panda. Hope you can see that. It's a little panda inside of the blossom. So that's neat. And it's sort of a coral color. Awesome. Sorry, I keep saying awesome. Pretty neat, guys. Pretty neat. So let's see. Let's open the paper. So the papers are that again has nothing to do with like a mini happy planner. Like I was saying, the only thing that correlates to the mini happy planner are the inserts. So we'll get to that in a second. Let's check out the paper. So the first one is you get this really nice marbleized gold watercolor blossom, kind of gold glitter and like a blue watercolor. And on the back here are the blossoms, so pretty, and there is some gold in there, which I love. I think it's a rose gold actually, which is alright. And then on the back, so you get two of those. You can tell which side I like better. Then we got some acetate, not acetate, vellum. Some vellum like this, really nice. So pretty. What's better? I guess like this. And then some more vellum. Check that out. Really adorable little characters. And last but not least, here are the characters in living color. And on the back is the characters, but they're all kind of on top of one another. It's like that Disney Sum Sum or To Sum Sum. I like that. That's neat. That's neat. Thank you. So pretty. Adorable. I move that out of the way so it doesn't get too much glare, which is kind of hard because my background's all glare. It's all bougie. So here we go. Here's the mini happy planner. What do you call it? Paper. So we get some dashboards like this. That's neat. I like that. Could definitely check those out. And then here are the inserts. So you normally get some either dot grid or like graph paper. So here's some dot grid. I forgot what these are called, but I remember Sam mentioning it in her Instagram stories. But they're really cute. They look like dust mites. I don't know what else they would be. I like this side. So that's neat. And then I can just punch my happy planner holes. And there's that. And then here are some box inserts and on the back. That's adorable. A little panda and a little kitty cat up there. So, oh, are they different? They are different. I mean, it's the same design, but there are little different graphics that are unique to each other page. So that's cool. That's cool. And last but not least, my favorite, the stickers. The stickers are the best. You get a lot of stickers. So first we got some full box stickers, and here they are. There is an iridescent gold, rose gold. I should be more specific, but you get what I mean. It's so nice. I like that. And then, yes, look how cute these are. They're like really chunky die cuts. You get two of those. Heck yes, thank you very much. And then you get these like clear stickers that I am planning to use either on my passion planner. I was talking about it in my other video where I tab my passion planner months, so this will come in handy, and the same thing with these. So that's neat. I don't use them in my happy planner at all, so that's more for my passion planner. Love these date cover-ups. So something that Sam was mentioning, who's the creator, is she has now resized the date cover-up stickers to be a lot more smaller. I would say they're definitely like half an inch. They're quite small, so that will fit really nicely in my mini happy planner on the calendar pages. Next are some tabs. And then here are some post-it notes. I love the gradient and the watercolor of the blossoms. How pretty. It's so calm. It's so springy. Springy. And these are my favorite. These are the date headers that I use in my mini happy planner. Love, love, love. And you get pretty much a good month worth to cover up your weeks. And then here are some clear ones, here are some blank ones, and they're again supposed to be used with these. I have yet to experiment. And last but not least, some check boxes. So that is in the March Happy Scrappy Kit, everyone. The theme is Blossom because we are now springing into spring. It is April, and yeah, why not? Let's do this. I am definitely not ready for summer. It's probably a cool month for me. I'm more of a fall kind of girl, so take it as it is and appreciate it. We should be so blessed to live where we live, and I am very blessed to be a planner girl and to enjoy all these cute little planner things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this is not paid for, or I'm not a PR girl. This is just me showing you stuff that makes me happy and brings me planner peace. So if you like this kit and you like the sub, check out my description box. I'll leave some links there and you can check it out yourself. Depending on where you live, there are different shipping rates, so take that into consideration. And I just love everything, and every month there's something new and something cute and something different. So thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks for always coming by. Thanks for leaving comments and liking and subscribing. I truly appreciate it. My goal is to get to 100 subscribers so I can change my YouTube name. So instead of seeing like a whole bunch of random letters, it will just say, "Hey, Planner Girl, hey." So thanks everyone again, and have a happy day. Bye!